important to, I like to have this bridge between the natural reef right there and the aquarium, so I always learn a lot of things from nature, and I can use that in the aquarium. So let's see what I can find, and then at the end of the dive I'll talk a little bit of this little reef over right here by Commercial Boulevard, Florida.
Good morning.
Me and Patrick, we're going to dive.
Beautiful
right there.
Day. Look at
it's
that.
Amazing.
It's like the world turned its back on us, and now we can't tell if it's heaven or hell. It's like knowing all the answers. Oh, you're sorry, but you never can tell. All the lovers, we were diving for 2D, different colors that we had to put to sleep. All the lovers, hope that we could break the spell. We went down the wishing well. You set the fire and tone to promised land. You got a whole religion in the palm of your hand. It's like the world turned its back on us, and now we can't tell if it's heaven or hell. It's like knowing all the answers. Oh, you're sorry, but you never can tell. All the lovers, we were diving for 2D, different colors that we had to put to sleep. All the lovers, hope that we could break the spell. All the we went down the wishing well. All the lovers, we were diving for 2D, different colors that we had to put to sleep. All the lovers, hope that we could break the spell. All the lovers, we went down the wishing well. I got you buried deep in the back of my head, 'cause you got all the answer on the tip of my tongue. You got a whole religion in the corner of my head. If you want it better, all the lovers, we were diving for 2D, different colors that we had to put to sleep. All the lovers, hope that we could break the spell. All the lovers, we went down the wishing well.
So I've seen angels eating those types of corals, so it's a coral that's probably very easy to grow, and it spreads very well, so that might be natural food for those type of angels, so it will help them with their diet. So that's my first thing that I got from there. The other thing was the variety of algae that was growing, very interesting. Important for tanks were eating that, and also boxfish were eating that algae. It's very interesting, very beautiful boxfish that I seen. The other very interesting thing was that I saw angels cleaning other fish. In this case, the little French angels or gray angels. I couldn't tell because I was a little bit far. Flow, there wasn't too much flow, but also depends. Right now it's very calm weather, not a lot of wind, but there was some turbidity also that will feed the corals. That mace coral really had very long feeding tentacles, and definitely damsels, they're territorial, they like to have their own space, so they were always scaring away the other fish. Diameter of territory for those yellow damsels with blue was about 20 inches diameter. So if you have a tank, remember those 20 inches diameter will be the damsel territory, so that's why it will be aggressive. So those are a few observations that I got. So yeah, if you are an aquarist, if you have a fish tank, I'll recommend you diving. That would be super fun, at least snorkel. It's always good to see different things. I also saw zoantids, very nice zoantids, blue zoantids. They were not attached to the substrate, they were growing in between macroalgae. So cool. Alright guys, see you tomorrow.